Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyambat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Net Foodish. Ordar mapi minwan ramangi hakerdob ying jongpi.
Kaya Lang Cultural and Sports Club kala pelong yang kelempung ilak kai football. Kabala tip kum ka second 9-a-side knockout open to all football tournament Madan Malki bat menta kesngi ka arpoi trik nok pra arja apsau kadai kesngi hakba la peli yakni kelempung. Ka jinga kun hakni kesngi kala long hapadang ka LJIS persya ya ka krem SC bat ka jinga kun kala kun hak jinga khat. Henry haka tiebreaker ka JIS kala pelem ya ka krem FC da san la sau gol. Haka ni kesngi kala don ru ka jing pen Khalai Nusip ni ka lucky draw ya ki tiket ki bala dep bandi shiki pat ba. Bat haka ni ka Khalai Nusip u number R Arsan ula yo ka jing jump bat ula yo ra ya ka khusnam da ka Scooty Yamaha Re ZR ka ba Thymmai u ba R u de number Nyausan kendain ria ublayo ra dak iPhone 13 u number pra nyon ria ublayo ra ya ka mixer juice grinder bat gidan ru sa santeli ki consolation prize ki blayo ra da u number lai sao rio r sao iwe not san nyo iwe nyo san rio lai bat san kendai sao nyo. Hakas ngi sedang yakni kalempung ilak kai football u MDC kalai mkra Malki u ba fantin lakadong ula longkum kongsan bat layadon lang ru u ba rap naka max kajing pelong yakni kalempung kadai naka bentaban mi pisa ya ka perkse Presbyterian Lower Primary School.
This consists of 3-jar mixer grinder. All the best, Kong Tiang.
Consolation draft bang. Consolation. Yo, bisa grinder kata tay pupunta.
So the chit number 1 goes to R Nong Thar, serial number 5947. So one Inora 3-jar mixer grinder goes to R Nong Thar, serial number 5947. Yung call yun yung number matama. Next, Jit. Come on, Nongkian. Kedua pan, salah.
Sama, men. Sama. Teruk semenyi. Wabiang baik champion tau. Tangkawin. Aneh. Tani rak mesti. Apa ipai ni mi? Sebenarnya.
Jet number 2 goes to S. Barbanyang, serial number 5717. That is consolation prize again. So the mixer grinder goes to S. Barbanyang, serial number 5717. Third Jin. The third consolation prize goes to Alex, serial number 3462. Alex, the next one, Jim, the grinder. Serial number 3462. And the fourth consolation prize goes to serial number 5663. Name Richter. Serial number 5663. The person's name is Richter. New York mixer grinder. Next number all the way. Fifth consolation prize. Last goes to, yes, the lady, Mary, serial number 4110. Merry. By the name of Merry, not Mary, not Mari. It's Merry. Mary, if you're somewhere nearby, come and collect your gift, or your prize, sorry. Serial number 4110. Congratulations to all the winners. Next, we call upon Miss Day for the third and for the third prize. Yes. Kedua bah. So now for the third prize. Third prize goes to Jason's aim. Wow. Jason's aim, serial number 8876. Jason's aim, serial number 8876. You will receive a laptop. Next, Kongbala will be taking out the chit for second prize. Mano malah group ha.
Bốc đi là đây hết. Xin lắp bộ đấy chứ. Xin lắp bộ vậy. Yes.
So now for the second prize. Woohoo! Who's gonna get this iPhone? Lucky me. Okay, I couldn't make out the name of this person. And the phone number is not there, so sorry. But the serial number is 7596. T Vagera Vagera. The serial number is 7596. So if this person will not come and own the prize, we will have to reshuffle the chit to another person. Malki will be selecting the chit for the first prize. That is the Scooty. Look at the Scooty now. Yes. Last ticket, first prize goes to serial number 2125. Where's fashioning? Fashioning should have been done. Serial number 2125. Fashioning, where are you? Congrats to all the winners.